Guys, so this is what it looks like when you first walk in. So there's our shower caddies right there. That's mine, that's my roommate's, and then our bags are right there, and we have an umbrella. Yeah. And then when you look down, there's our trash cans right there, and then you have a recycling bin because we're expected to recycle. We're a recycling school. And then, so that's the door. My roommate keeps her stuff like right here, which is like next to the door. Her little like cute, I don't know, just her stuff, snacks, stuff like that. I don't know. And then her robe is right there. She also has this like vaporizing thing she uses to like, I don't know, she just likes it and puts stuff in it to vaporize the room, so I don't mind. And then there's me. Hi. So we have like two lights. There's one up there, and then there's like one right there. But yeah, back to that. The switch is right there, and then the big one, the switch is right there. Alright, back to the mirror. So for our mirror, this is, well, their mirror is above the sink. So we have, well, it's like okay. It's not the best. I've seen like dorms with bigger ones, but you know what? We're making it work. So when you come up to the mirror, there's a little. This is all my stuff. Initially, me and my first roommate, we shared this, but then she moved out, and my new roommate moved in, and she really didn't use it, so I just took the whole space. Yeah. The counter, we have hand soap, dish soap, and I use this for my face, and then my toothbrush is right there. My roommate keeps her toothbrush right up there, and then I have like a drawer under the sink, and that's where we keep all our laundry stuff. Yeah, so laundry stuff, trash bags, air fresheners, cleaning wipes. Yeah, that's where they all stay. And then right here we have like a duster and a vacuum we use, and then we keep our, we share this hand towel, but that's my face towel. Usually her face towel is right there, but I think it's in her laundry. So then she keeps her shoes right about there, and then this is her side of the room, but like Emma's for her. That's not my room. She keeps that's her side of the room, and her bed is not, her bed is lofted, so she sleeps up there. But yeah, that's her side of the room. It's cute. It's a vibe. It's like, it has a vibe to it. And yeah, so the fridge is right there, and we share the fridge. Yeah, but there's like nothing in there. I'll show you. There's really nothing in there, but you know, we usually use it, but there's just nothing in there as of right now. So yeah, there was like food in here earlier this morning, but I ate it. Oops. So that's my Brita, and because we don't drink straight from the sink, and then my apple. Alright, and then in this little corner we have my little snack area with my plates. You can't really see it because it's hidden, but like, I'm able to reach over there, so it's okay. And I have this like container thing. It's so cute. My mom got it for me. I have like 3 of them. I keep like my almonds and chips in there. When I open a big bag of chips, like that's where I put it. And yeah, so there's that. Also, I don't know how my roommate got this carpet under the bed. Like how, I wasn't here when that happened. I was in class. So now my side of the room, which looks like this. And I have like 2 rugs. There's one right there, and then there's another one here. I bought this one like later on, but this one used to be under the sink right here, but not anymore. So that's my side of the room. We're gonna do the desk first. So this tapestry is from Amazon, and I have this calendar, which is from Five Below, and that storage thing I got from TJ Maxx. And I have a cute little plant. It's a fake plant. Well, this one on the fridge is a real plant, but I have a fake plant, and then I have the candle from Bath and Body Works, and then 2 water bottles, and then I have my books, and then my printer because sometimes I need to print before class, and then that little thing is my the gray thing is my laptop case. And yeah, my laptop is sitting right there because I was just doing homework. And then I have a picture slash poster of Steve Jobs on my counter as like a motivational thing because I like his mentality, you know. And then I have my glasses are right there. My drawers, there's nothing really significant in them, but I'll give you a little tour. It's really my calculator, some change, textbook I'm trying to get rid of, and then my laptop. Like nothing, you know. My backpack is right here. And then I have a couple of journals, perfume, note cards, school stuff, goggles for lab. Nothing, like there's nothing, I don't know, interesting in here. And my camera stuff and letterboard stuff. Letterboard is right there. Yeah, the letterboard stuff is in here. And then, oh, my backpack is in the way. This is like my old book, old stuff. There's like a study guide I made for bio last semester, and then I have my iPad, and stuff like just old Apple cases in there, old chargers, all that fun stuff. So that's that, and then I charge my stuff under the desk right there. I use that power strip because we're like required to have one, and it has to be like have that power switch like Madison has. I'll show you. My roommate does. Has to be able to do this, or it's not allowed. Just in case you're coming to tech, that's a little tip. I don't know. Yeah. So that's my desk. And then at night, I just moved the black power strip onto the chair. The chair is just covered with a blanket on here so it can like reach my bed right there. So we're gonna push this in. Alright, so now the bed. That letter thing, that's from Amazon. The little fairy lights next to my bed, you can't really see them because like, I don't think they're on all the way right now. But usually I have my fairy lights on. And they're like wrapped around the bed. And then I have some pictures from the summer, a letterboard from Home Goods. Yeah. And then the window's right there. Yeah. I sleep next to the window. The heater is like right underneath the bed, like right there. And I have a poster of Marilyn Monroe, which I love. I really love this poster. And it says, I am not interested in money, I just want to be wonderful, which is something I really live by. So, under my bed, I have a fridge that I don't use anymore because we're only allowed to have one. And then I have an ottoman that I keep stuff in, and nothing really important, just like old trash bags that I can reuse. And my boots stay here because I can't fit it in my closet. And then I have a fan that's down there somewhere from back when we needed to have fans for the summer because we didn't have AC. That's me. Oh, also we have oversized closets right there that we use. And it's just, I put the mirror up. This mirror is from Target. And then I also have this like handle thing from my closet that came from Ross. My favorite part. So this is my robe. My mom bought me this, and then I have 2 towels, and these are my shirts, and then the shoes are on the side like that. That's how I organized it. And the stuff up there is just like extra towels and like storage stuff I really didn't use but brought because I need to like pack stuff. And then these little hooks up here, I did not put those like that. Hanging this up, I did not do that. That came with the room. I'm pretty sure they weren't supposed to, but you know. So my stuff are like pretty much organized by color. You have like the whites, and then you have like the creams, and it goes in like a rainbow effect type thing. At least that's what I was going for. And then right about here is my outerwear, so this is not color coded. It's just however it ends up being, you know. And then I have my drawer right here, which has my like sports bra and socks. And then this drawer is more for like my hair stuff. And then this drawer has my tank tops, dresses, my shirts, my t-shirts. These are really hard to open because I have so much clothes that it's like spilling out. Alright. Drawer number 2. All this is denim. And you have leggings there. That's sleepwear. That's like fancy pants. That's my underwear. And then that's shorts from the summer, and then skirts. Yeah. They're all nicely, neatly folded because I did laundry this morning. And then you have my favorite drawer, which is the last drawer. I love this rug. It's so cute. Alright. This drawer has a lot in it. Oh my god, I can't even open it. So I have like shaving stuff here. I have feminine products, hair products, first aid that came from Target right there. And then I have cotton balls. And I have some extra toothpaste, cotton swabs. My makeup palettes are in here because I couldn't fit them under the sink and stuff like that. I have my lint roller, I have an iron, and then I have some shower caps. This is basically like a convenience store. I really have Tylenol right there. So yeah, I love this drawer. I don't really use this on, like, if I need something to go shopping or something. Not shopping, but you know, if I need stuff, I usually look in this drawer first because that's what it's for. But yeah. This is what the shoe side looks like. Yeah. And my shower shoes are right there because we don't have our own bathrooms, at least in this hall. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.